Good morning. This is a Peugeot Box. I wanted to just show what we're doing to this car. This one's a 2010-11 and it's got the Transit 2.2 engine in. We've been getting quite a lot of oil pump failures which take the engines out. Even did a 16 plate with an engine rebuild not long ago. I'm going to include a video on that. So I'll take you over to the oil pumps to show you what happens. So here you go. We're doing this car just for the fact that a precautionary measure. So we're going to change the oil pump. If you look at this oil pump here, I can't turn it back. It should be nice and free like this one, yeah? You can see it's free turning. This one, you can see it locks up. So I'm going to take the back off so we'll have a look inside and see actually what goes wrong. Because obviously when it goes, no oil pressure, next minute your crank's gone. So I will be right back. So let me just get this final bolt out the back so we can have a look inside. There you go. So we're nearly in. Let's have a look. The back's a bit springy. Ah, there you go. So another one that's done. Can you see how those have broken up inside? I'll take it into the daylight so you can actually have a good look. So there you go. You can see that it's just completely broken up and locked inside there. You see that? So yeah, well worth changing and not too expensive either. So I'll just go back over to where we were. So here is the new pump. Yeah, brand new pump. This silicone for the sump is brilliant because a lot of these silicons you buy, you put on the sump gasket, you make a sump gasket, a seal on the sump, put it on, and obviously it squeezes out on both sides. So you've got a silicone layer inside on the edge of the sump. Problem with that is the cheaper rubbishy ones start going jelly. The bits of silicone break off and they go straight into the oil pickup and block it. So use correct silicone and then and away you go. So, and before you fit your pump, if you're doing it yourself, this pump is dry, not primed. So what you want to do is fill it full of engine oil and work it so all the gears have got a layer of engine oil on them. Then when you hit the key in the car, you aren't going to starve it from oil. So there we go. So that's what goes wrong. See if we can see anything on there. You can't really see. Let's just wipe that off. Yeah, it doesn't show any damage really as such. It's scored it. Oh yeah, it has, yeah. You can see where it's actually scored there. So yeah, fit new. And for the price of them, you're saving your engine. Hopefully you like the video and you could subscribe. Thank you.